Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix microphone volume is too low or is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue with your microphone that your microphone's volume is too much low, so let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to right click on this speaker icon and then click on this sound settings option to open the sound in your settings app. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of input. In input you will see mic option. Here, you just have to make sure that you have selected the right or correct mic which you're using. So after that, you will see the option of volume. You just have to increase it how much you want to increase. And once you have increased, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to Device Manager. Here, just search for Device Manager and just try to update your microphone drivers. So here you have to look for microphone. So here's the option of audio inputs and outputs. Just expand it and then look for microphone. Right click on it and then click on update driver. So if there will be any update available for your driver, it will be updated or downloaded or installed on your PC. So once you updated your driver, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.